2007 Ford King Ranch. Four-wheel drive, sponsored by Perfection Property Maintenance. He says, I'm a fair board favorite. This is Jordan Ramon out of Johnstown. The 07 Ford King Ranch. Nicer than my daily driver's truck.
There's a tire in the back.
I'm hoping he's not planning on driving it home. I guess we're going to find out.
Listen to it. Oh shit.
Damn on the hospital trying to get back on track. Jordan Ramon on the loud pedal.
Once again, a big thank you to the staff for helping us keep it back there and keeping the event moving forward.